Fail lagi. Scrub CO2 between -3 and 3. Maksudnya fully scrub. Maksudnya we force the air to go through soda lime. Sepatutnya bacaan dia 0. Tapi mesin ni bagi range. Kalau tak 0 pun boleh lah. -3 or +3. Tapi kau still measure 5.4. That's not good. So kalau benda ni dah baru tapi still macam ni, maksudnya kena recalibrate.
Recalibrate pula.
Kena recalibrate. Tapi kalau benda ni memang ada masalah, soda lime ni, maksudnya even if it does not turn into violet color, but you remember that since last week I've been using this every day to do CI and everything, change it anyway. Change it. Just change it. Tapi now, today, kita assume benda ni baru.
Okay.
Benda baru, kita akan address benda ni, kita jadikan dia 0.
Oh.
How to do that? Manually. So go to startup, this tab here, and then calibration. Somebody press calibration.
That's it.
Okay, calibration. And then, yeah. So then you have to press the keys calibration, and it should be not CO. That you have to go to erga zeros. Don't do this, okay? The span, CO2 span, H2O span. That is usually we reserve for factory setting. Okay.
CO2 dengan H2O.
Yeah. Anything to do with span. Jangan tersalah tekan. Okay. We can do spanning kalau kita ada equipment dia. Now kita tak ada. We don't have that. So don't mess with that. So press erga 0. Erga stands for what?
Infrared gas analyzer.
Yeah, good. So we begin the calibration. So for erga, it only deals with two things, water and CO2. Specific. Okay. So we begin the calibration. Okay. Now we need to pay attention to this thing. It says 0 CO2R, meaning that CO2 reference whatever that comes from the ambient into the chamber. Sample is whatever has been used by the plant back to the console, to the console. Okay. So we need to read this. If 0 is CO2 alone, maksudnya CO2 is all what we are interested with. Scrub CO2 and bypass the desiccant. Scrub CO2, bypass the desiccant, which is betul lah setting dah buat. Tapi if you want to calibrate H2O, scrub both CO2 and H2O, meaning that both of these kena hijau. Tapi now we are only concerned with CO2, so don't have to do that. Only CO2 here. Okay. So we need to change it. We need to zero everything. So we will zero the reference. Wait. Zero this. So it will. So CO2 should approach 0. This is CO2. This is CO2. It should be 0. You have to press it until it reaches 0. So that's 0, right? Reference. So we have to wait. Maybe I didn't press it correctly. CO2 sample up here. Oh. Okay. Oh, dah press dah. So is that 0? 0. 0? Okay, good. So when you're happy with that, remember ±3?
Yes.
Within? Okay, good. So boleh exit balik calibration. Exit. Go back to this warm up. Redo this. Shouldn't be that long because we're only dealing with one particular test. Yeah.